channel. I hope you guys are having a good day. My name is Jody Elise, and today we're going to be doing this look right here. I just wanted to be a little more bougier than I usually am, so I went with a dark lip, which I never really do, so I hope you guys like it. More dramatic eyes, lashes very bold, and just make sure you guys share this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Get started, guys. So we're gonna start by priming our eyelids with the LA Girl concealer. Use Beauty Blender to blend in. Now we primed our eyes. We're gonna be setting it with the Mercier. And we're gonna move into the eyeshadow. We're gonna be using this palette that I used in my last video. It's the NYX Perfect Filter palette. We're gonna be taking this burgundy right here and putting it in our crease using a blending brush. So when you put it in your crease, make sure that you put them all the way in and mostly at the corner and bringing it down almost to the lid. We're going to be using this color right here. It's like a shimmery brown. We're going to put a little bit, but not too much. We're still going to put it in the crease. We're just going to deepen it a little more. Here. It's almost like a halo look, but not really. Back and forth with the brushes, the first color, the burgundy, and the darker brown. We're just going to be carving a little bit of the lid with the concealer and the flat brush. Again, set where we carved the cut crease there with a little setting powder, Mercier. We're going to be taking the Nubian palette. We're going to be using this corner color right here. It's a really dark color. We're just going to put it on the outside of the edge of the eye. Like that line right there, and then we're gonna blend it later. I just really want to pack this on right here in the edges. We're gonna grab the blending brush to blend in the two. We don't want it to have like a straight line there. Be mixing the burgundy that we used also in the crease a little bit to still get that little color in, because it's kind of like a burgundy purple, which is pretty with the glitter, the lavender glitter that we're going to be putting on our eyes. And when you're blending the burgundy, you're kind of bringing it up to the brows. By the way, guys, if you guys want to watch my eyebrow tutorial, you're going to watch it right here, and you can see what type of product I use for my eyebrows. So now we're going to add some glitter. So I'm just going to be using the Duo Lash Glue. So I'm just going to apply the glue around the area where we cut a little bit of the crease. I'm going to try to make it nice and sharp. And the glitter I'm using is from the Sally's. It's this one right here, and this one is in the color Lavender. This is cute. I like it. Again, eyebrows is perfect compared to the last video. Ooh. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Super Slim Liquid Liner. Adding lashes to next up. And we're going to use the Ardell Professional Lashes Double Up in the style Black. Taking this Pop Beauty this pencil that I found. It's kind of really dark. It looks like it's like a dark purple, and I'm just gonna line my upper line and my bottom line. Now we have eyeliner on. I'm just gonna blend a little bit of my lashes and my fake lashes together so it blends together, guys. Now I'm just gonna be doing my foundation and everything. I'm just gonna put my foundation on and then we'll be right back. So I just did my foundation and everything. So basically this is my full face. I contoured a little bit. So if you guys want to see an in-depth like foundation routine, like step by step, I can always do that for you guys. Just let me know, comment down below, and I will do that for you guys. So we're gonna be adding some blush, and we're gonna be using the Tarte. This is my favorite blush. It's called Partyyyy. Oh my gosh. So today we're going to be using a different highlighter. I'm going to be using the NYX Strobe Genius Illuminating Palette. Ugh, that's a mouthful. We're just going to open that. We're going to be using a fan brush. This color in the corner and the center. But before I highlight, I'm going to be spraying my face with the NYX Dewy finish. Now we're gonna move it to our lips, and we're gonna be using the Kiss Professional New York in the color Dark Plum Purple, and we're gonna be using the MAC liquid lipstick color in High Drama. The video. This was the look that we did today. Make sure you share, comment, like, and subscribe. And if you guys have any suggestion, you know what to do. And I will see you later, sister.